Hello students, welcome to Pharma E-Class. My name is Dr. Tahir Nizami. I am Associate Professor at Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. In the series of our lecture of infrared spectroscopy, our today's lecture is sampling technique. So let us discuss about sampling technique. And in previous video we have discussed about the instrumentation part of IR spectroscopy, and we have learned that the major important parts of instrument of IR spectroscopy are radiation source, mirrors, reference cell, sample cell, monochromators, choppers, detectors, amplifier and recorders. And in this video we will discuss about sampling techniques. So basically sampling technique is very important in IR spectroscopy because the method of preparing sample is very important for detection purpose, and sampling technique is done by four methods. So there are four methods of sampling in IR spectroscopy. First technique is solid sampling technique, and it is very common technique. Second technique is liquid sampling technique. Number 3 is gas sampling technique, and number 4 is solution sampling technique. So basically in sampling of IR spectroscopy or infrared spectroscopy we have four methods. Number 1 is solid sampling technique, number 2 is liquid sampling technique, number 3 is gas sampling technique, and number 4 is solution sampling technique. Now let us discuss each technique in detail. First, solid sampling technique. Solid sampling technique is very common and very routinely used technique in IR spectrophotometers. The instrument which is used for detecting IR radiation are known as IR spectrophotometers, and these IR spectrophotometers are supplied with a part which is known as sample holders. Now in that sample holders we put our samples which are prepared by solid sampling technique. Now solid sampling technique is further divided into four techniques. Number 1 is direct sampling, number 2 is pelletization technique, number 3 is Mullin technique, and number 4 is solid sampling for solution. Let us discuss each type of solid sampling technique in detail. Direct sampling technique, as name suggests, utilize direct application of sample into the instrument. So in direct sampling technique, there is a groove in an instrument, there is a part in an instrument where sample can be put. Now here sample can be put, and this assembly is put into the IR spectrophotometer for the analysis of this sample. So it is known as direct sampling technique because in this technique we are not using any substance other than sample, and there is a sample holder, there is a sample holder, and is a type of curvette, and here is the sample, and this is the sample. So simple small amount of sample is put into the sample holder, and this sample holder plus sample, this assembly is put into the IR spectroscopy instrument, and the analysis is done. Second technique is pelletization technique. As name suggests, pelletization technique is technique in which we have to form pellets. Now the pellets formation are the type of tablets which are formed by compressing a powder and forming into the form of pellets. Now pellets can be made up of some substance like alkali halides like KBr and NaCl. So the question may ask which substance is used in pelletization for making pellets. So potassium bromide KBr or NaCl is used in pelletization technique. Now in pelletization technique what happens that these KBr or NaCl are used as diluents in making the pellets with sample. So we have to take 1 to 2% of sample, and rest amount is our diluent or diluent KBr NaCl, and the pellet is prepared. Now we have to prepare pellets of KBr in reference also, and a pellet of KBr is sample. I want to explain in this detail what happens in KBr technique. In KBr technique, first of all, we have to make pellets of KBr. So for making pellets of KBr, we have to use this punch. These are the punch, and before inserting this powder plus KBr into this punch, we have to mix this into pastel mortar. Now in this pastel mortar we will add this KBr plus we add our drug solution and we mix well, and this mixture is put into this punch, and when we apply pressure in the punch, it will convert into the pellet. So this pellet is sample plus KBr pellet. We have to make one reference pellet also, in which we take only KBr. So only KBr powder is taken and the pellet is making, and this pellet is known as KBr pellet or reference pellet. So this is our sample plus KBr, and this is our reference pellet which contain only KBr, and sample pellet contains sample plus KBr. So KBr or NaCl is used in making pelletized technique, and this technique known as pelletization technique. Next technique is mulling technique. Mulling technique is very common technique. Mull means making paste. So in this technique we will form a paste in pastel mortar of compound. We can use some substances like oils like Nujol oil, which is very commonly used oil. It is a paraffin oil, Nujol oil, hexachlorobutadiene or chlorofluorocarbon as substance for mulling agent. So question asked that what are the various mulling agent used in IR spectroscopy. So mulling agents are Nujol, hexachlorobutadiene or CFC. So in mulling technique, simple, the solution, the mulling agent is used in taken pastel mortar. Small amount of substance sample is taken and it is triturated well to form a very uniform paste, and this paste is get inserted into our sample holder to get the readings or to get the analysis to be done. Next technique is solid sampling of solution. Now this particular sampling is technique is used for substances which are present in solution or liquid form. So for this purpose we will take a pellet, KBr pellet or NaCl pellet. On this NaCl pellet we will put the drop of this sample whose analysis has to be done. So sample is present in volatile solvent, we will put on the KBr NaCl pellet, and this pellet is kept into the instrumentation for expector analysis of the desired compound. So we have discussed about solid sampling technique. So we have discussed that solid sampling technique are of different type, like direct sampling technique, pelletization technique in which KBr or NaCl is used, mulling technique in which mulling agents like Nujol, hexachlorobutadiene or CFC is used, and solid sampling technique for solution. Now next technique is liquid sampling technique. In liquid sampling technique we have to take samples in liquid form. So we have to prepare two pellets of NaCl or KBr, and between two pellets of NaCl and KBr the sample in the liquid form is placed, and this assembly is put into IR spectrophotometer for analysis. So here the sample present in the liquid form is sandwiched. It's sandwiched between two layers of NaCl pellet. So blank NaCl pellet is taken, two pellets is taken, and between two pellets the solution, the sample layer is applied, and this is taken into the instrumentation. Next technique is gas sampling technique. As name suggests, gas sampling technique utilizes gas cells, and gas cells are used, and these gas cells are made up of NaCl, and this gas cells is having length of around 10 cm, and this gas cells the sample is put into the gas cell, and this gas cell is put into IR spectrophotometer, and IR spectrophotometer give the results. Last technique is solution sampling technique. In solution sampling technique we have to make solution of the sample. So we have to use some solvents. So common solvents, so these solvents are the solvent in which sample is dissolved. So solvents plus sample is equal to solution, and this solution is applied over the instrument to get the reading. The solvents which are commonly used in solution sampling technique are chloroform, carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide. So these are the various common solvents which are used in solution solvent sampling technique, and in this solvent our desired sample is dissolved and mixed uniformly, and that is used in IR spectrophotometer to get the analysis done. So these are the various sampling techniques in IR spectroscopy, that is solid sampling technique, liquid sampling technique, gas sampling technique, and solvent sampling technique. So solid sampling technique is further subdivided into direct sampling, pelletization, mulling, and solid sampling for solution. In pelletization, we use KBr or NaCl as the substance for making pellets. In mulling techniques, we use Nuzol, hexachlorobutadiene or CFC as mulling agents. And in liquid sampling techniques, simple NaCl pellets are used in which the sample is applied. In gas technique, gas cells are used which are made up of NaCl. And in solution sampling technique, we use solvents like chloroform, carbon tetrabromide, carbon disulfide to make solution of sample and to get our analysis done. So hope you understood the sampling techniques of IR spectroscopy. In next lecture we will discuss more about IR spectroscopy. Thank you.